Hello and welcome to our channel. Here we are trying to set up a kid play tent. So here I'm opening the box and bringing the stuff out. My nephew was very excited about it. He was very excited though. Oh, he kind of like it. And now he's coming to say hello.
Say hello.
Hi, baby. Hi. Okay, and back to business. We just, I'm just trying to figure out how to do this. And here I am setting the pose, or what is called, for the tents, and just doing the thing. Okay, stay on the settings. And my nephew is just having fun while auntie is trying to be busy. Okay, and that's a part of the tent. One done and more to go. So we're setting up the other tent. It's kind of a is it two-way tent, or what is called? It's like a big one and a smaller one. So the way this tent is, you can there's like a bridge between the two of them that you can actually that connects the two, that you can actually from one end get to the other end. And that's, I just finished setting it and trying to connect it. When you have this kind of tent and you're setting it, and you have a little kid like 2-3 years old in the house,